This is a short video on how to access the NAACP DeKalb webmail site. It is primarily for people like the Secretary, President, and also the finance or treasurer to go in and look directly at their mail that is also forwarded to their account. So I'm sending you this link, and this is the page that will come up so that you can log in. Then you'll go in and put your name in there, whichever officer you have, and then also you will put your login, which is your password, and then hit login. That brings you to the window where you can compose emails, you can mail, look at your mail, and then get information about that. You can also look at any contacts that you saved. In addition, you can make some settings about this website. Thale Moore sent, for instance, $60. There's information about that on this particular page. And then you've got a couple of choices. Let's say you wanted to respond to Thale. You can do a reply, and then that would allow you to reply from here. Now, one caveat to using this mail server, I have it set so that you guys can have the emails forwarded directly to your personal email. Once you receive that bounce, then you are able to also answer. But in answering that email from your personal email, it will show your personal email on the account. So for most people, if you don't want that, if you want people to only see from finance, then you will then compose your email from here. I'm going to send it to communications, and of course always a subject line, something like, and then you send that email. You have a chance to see your sent mail. You also have a chance to maybe look at some junk mail. In this case, you don't have any. But also, I would recommend you going through your email account periodically and cleaning out any old emails that you don't want in there. Here's one more point I want to mention to you concerning getting to your web mail. Sometimes when you log in, you will come to this page that says open in your inbox. If you look on the left-hand side under the round cube, it says either open or click the box next to it that says open my inbox when I log in. By clicking this inbox, it automatically goes to your email account rather than coming to this location and then you having to click a second step by hitting the open button. Once you are finished with your email, then you go back to Webmail Home, and that will lead you to this page right here. Up in the corner, the right-hand corner, you'll see log out, and at that particular point, you are now logged out of your email. That's just a brief overview. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact me.